Hello, welcome to this tutorial on the making of construction for teaching and learning processes. So this is what we are going to look at today. We have done this construction. It is advisable you do the construction before you prepare the slides. So we go. So when you load your PowerPoint, this is title slide. From the layout here, this is the title slide. I love using the blank slide. So you select the blank slide, create a text box, you draw the text box. Probably this is the title. Increase the font size to at least 24, but I want to make it 26. Then centralize it. So that is the title. Then you create animate it, add animation, go to entrance. I love dissolve in. I'm there. So instead of I want to bolden this, I go to the font group, I select B, it's bolding. I want to change the color. I come here, I select blue. Now for the question, you create another text box, and here comes the questions. So having gotten that, you animate it also. And when we get here, I can click on this title and select animation painter. So when I select animation painter, I come and click this. So I have copied that dissolve in animation to this text box. Again, I go to home tab, increase the font size, in this case 28, and bolden it. We're there. Now you're set to do your construction. You have your question and the rest. And I told you it is advisable you do the construction, snap it, and save it on your device. Now we need to bring in the picture. It is on the picture we'll do the preparation of the slide. So we click on the insert, and before then I need another slide. So I have the slide. I go to insert and select picture, click on picture, this device, I have it on the device, and I save it on the desktop. I click desktop, I save it in the folder pic. So I click on it and click insert. So it is advisable you create another slide that will house this. When you draw your line, you bring it here. And I have already copied the ruler. I just paste it here. Remember, the ruler has animation. So the ruler does not have an animation here. I am going to add animation, that is entrance, dissolve in, okay. I also add exit. I don't use this again. I come to add effect, go to exit and select dissolve out, okay, because when you use the ruler you remove, so later we'll see how to arrange the removal from the exit from the entry. So I come here, I need to draw a horizontal line. I click on the home tab or insert. So let me go to the home tab and come to the drawing group. I select this line, horizontal line. If you look at this vertical height should be 0, and the horizontal width, that is the width, should be more than required. So can increase it. So I have it there. I need to change the color. I come to this it must be on this format. Come here, select shape outline and select black. Then also go to the same shape outline and increase the width. I love using 2 1/4 points. Then I add animation. It is always good to use this wipe. When you use the wipe, you control the direction from left. That is it. So what I do now is this. I have to locate this point A and B. I first make a point, draw a very small circle of 1 point diameter, 1 inch diameter, 0.1 inch diameter, 0.1 inch diameter. Then I fill the shape with red and the outline with red. I also apply animations. So I go to add entrance and dissolve in. Okay, I have this. So I will be keeping it here and be copying and be pasting. So let me duplicate. So with that duplicate, I need to zoom it to enable me pick it and move. I zoom again. So this is where I should place it. The zooming will allow you to get the accurate point you need. Then I have to put the text box to represent B. So I told you at least 28 font size, make it bold. Then apply animation to. I can click on this, select animation painter and click it here. I have applied animation. Then I place it here. The same thing. I can now duplicate both of them because I have located B. Then I need to take this to where I am going to the original slide. I copy, I cut, I go to the first slide, then I paste. So I have it there. Now I have it here. Now I need to place my ruler to get the 8 centimeters. I come here, I click, I copy. Oh no, I meant to copy. I copy, I bring it here, I paste, then place it with 0 point on B. The zooming will help you get it accurately. Then you can now copy this, duplicate this, and remember this is 0.8 centimeters and this is going to be A. Then how do we remove this one after the other? We go to animations and go to animation pane. It gives this. This number 6 is the entrance. Remember, when it enters, you bring in the point, you locate the point. So this exit will come after the oval, so I move it to later. So you can see now it is after the oval, and here you would have removed the ruler before you bring in the A. So that one is there. Then the next thing is we need this curve. Let me reduce it. I can close this now. go back to Home tab, and I need this axis of 60 degrees. So I am going to use this arc. So I click on the arc, I draw the arc. I need a perfect circle. So I go here, I reduce it to 3.6, 3.3, and this is 3.3 also, because it must be a perfect circle. Or we need to increase it, or we can leave it like this. It mustn't be accurate. It mustn't be accurate. Since GT give us the same results. So now, before we go, you need to locate go here, zoom, you need to let the students know that you are picking this place as center. Sorry, before then, if you are making a point, that point should be black. Sorry, the point should be black. The point should be black. So I have them black now. It is when you are making the center that you take as red. So I have taken, you tell them that take this one as red. It has animation, it has been animated. You now click on this arc and animate it. You click on the arc and animate it. Also, you use wipe for this, and you go there and change the direction from left, and you can control the speed. You go to animation pane, right click and select timing. When you select the timing, you tell them it is very fast, make it medium. Okay, you see it coming, and please, you also make it black. So this is outline black. Then we've done that. Then you ask them, we are going to exit this guy since it is no more the center. So we go to animation, select add, and I go to exit and select dissolve out. Okay, because after this one now it is the exit. So I can see copy that one, duplicate it. Sorry, we need to make it touch this. So we are bringing the center to this place now. We are bringing the center to this place. So having put the center to that place, we are going to duplicate this arc because it must be of the same size. You see the handle here? I turn it with the handle. I can reduce the size of this one, then place it here. I may still need to turn it so that I have it accurately. So position it. The positioning is not correct yet. So you have it there. Then remember, you exit this. The exit is also there. So what we do is we go to animation pane and tell them that this oval is leaving. You move it later after the arc, so it's gone. So then we now join from here to this place. We go to home tab, draw this line, place it here. We are there. Position it very well. Yes, it's overlapping. You paint it black and change the width, the weight to 4. Then you animate it. I told you we use wipe, and the direction is perfectly okay. You might still need to increase it long enough. Then we have done this. I now zoom in. I need to delete this guy because I press Ctrl A. It's highlighted everything, and now hold Ctrl button and click the picture to deselect the picture. I press Ctrl X. I have copied all my lines, paste it here, zoom it, then position. You just need only positioning of only one point, that is the circle on B, and we are there. So we've done this. Again, zoom in. So I need to copy this ruler, Ctrl C or Ctrl D. I have duplicated the ruler. I need to turn it to be on the same line with the line I have drawn. On the same line with the line I have drawn. So it will be better if you are positioning it. You position it in such a way that you take your measurement from there. After drawing the line, you take your measurement from there. Make sure the zero line is on B. Yes, zero line is on B. And remember, we are meant to place the ruler before we draw the line. See the ruler, see the line. This is the animation for the ruler. 16. This is the animation. The 16 is animation for the line, and 17 is animation for the ruler. So I move it up, move earlier. After moving it earlier, the dimension there is the dimension there is 6 centimeters. That's BC. So I go there, 6 centimeters. I zoom it out, 6 centimeters. I copy this point and duplicate. So I've copied the point and place it properly at 6 centimeters. At point 6 centimeters there. Having placed it, I call that point C. Zoom in. Too much. Point C. That's to tell you I now remove my ruler. So the removal of the ruler is this 18. So I take it to the end, move later to the end of the. So I have this. Now I now draw the line. I copy the ruler again. Ctrl D. Copy the ruler again. Turn it. until it touches B. Just need to be very careful. Then I'm going to copy this line. Yeah, I can copy this line here, Ctrl D. I've duplicated the line. I can position it to be on the same line with the ruler. Yes, be on the same line with the ruler. Now remember, the ruler is having two animation, so it has to, the exit has to go after the drawing the line, so you move later to the end. We have done that. And please, the way we have done the arcs here is the same way you are going to draw this arc for the bisection, that is the locus L1. So the same way, position it here, 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 then you join. And the same way for the second locus, create the arcs and join them. I think we've given you more than 100% on how to get this. So let's do the slideshow and see what we have done from beginning. So here it is. You click, we have the title, click, you have the question, and we said we are drawing the horizontal line first. Locate a point, then we name it B. Place your ruler 0 at point B, and we need 8 centimeters. Mark it out, remove the ruler, and you have your A. Then the next thing is take B as center, then open convenient radius, draw an arc to touch line AB, then take this point of intersection of this arc and the line as center, then draw another arc to touch the first arc. Then we now join this and this, so you place your ruler and join. And remember, from B to C, we mark point at 6 centimeters, and that is our C. We remove the ruler, we now join A to C. So you place your ruler again and draw the line, and that is remove the ruler, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.